Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about how to change your life in 2026. The year 2026 represents a fresh opportunity to change your life in meaningful and lasting ways. A new year is not just a change in dates, it is a chance to change habits, thinking patterns, and decisions. Many people wait for the perfect moment to improve their lives, but real change begins when intention meets action. This script explains how you can use 2026 as a turning point to grow personally, emotionally, and professionally. Start with a clear vision. Changing your life begins with clarity. You must decide what kind of life you want to live in 2026. Without a clear vision, effort becomes wasted energy. Take time to reflect on your goals, values, and priorities. Ask yourself what truly matters to you. When your vision is clear, your actions gain direction and motivation becomes stronger. Let go of the past. One of the biggest obstacles to change is holding on to the past. Regrets, failures, and painful memories can prevent growth. 2026 should not be shaped by yesterday's mistakes. Learn from the past, but do not live in it. Forgiving yourself and others frees your mind and heart, creating space for new possibilities and positive change. Build powerful daily habits. Life does not change overnight. It changes through small daily habits. In 2026, focus on building habits that support your goals. Wake up earlier, read regularly, exercise, or practice gratitude. These simple actions may seem small, but over time they create massive transformation. Consistency matters more than perfection. Improve your mindset. Your mindset determines how you experience life. A positive and growth-focused mindset allows you to see challenges as opportunities. In 2026, train your mind to focus on solutions instead of problems. Replace negative self-talk with encouraging thoughts. Believe that improvement is possible, even when progress feels slow. A strong mindset turns obstacles into lessons. Manage your time. With purpose, time is one of the most valuable resources you have. To change your life in 2026, you must learn how to use time wisely. Avoid distractions that steal hours without adding value. Plan your days and prioritize tasks that align with your goals. When you respect your time, you respect your future. Take responsibility for your life. Real change begins when you accept full responsibility for your life. Blaming circumstances, people, or luck keeps you stuck. In 2026, decide to take ownership of your choices, actions, and reactions. Responsibility gives you power because it means you can improve your situation. When something goes wrong, focus on what you can control rather than what you cannot. Stay committed during difficult times. Every journey includes moments of doubt and difficulty. In 2026, remind yourself why you started whenever challenges appear. Progress is rarely smooth, but persistence creates success. Staying committed during hard times builds character and resilience, shaping a stronger version of yourself for the future. Remember that meaningful change requires courage, patience, honesty, and daily effort, even when results feel invisible and progress seems slow during uncertain moments. Take care of your health. A healthy life is the foundation of success and happiness. In 2026, make your physical and mental health a priority. Eat nutritious food, stay active, and get enough rest. Mental health is equally important. Take breaks, manage stress, and ask for help when needed. A healthy body and mind give you the energy to chase your dreams. Surround yourself with positive people. The people around you influence your thoughts, habits, and confidence. In 2026, choose relationships that support growth and positivity. Spend time with people who inspire you and reduce contact with those who bring negativity. A supportive environment makes change easier and progress faster. Develop new skills. The world is changing rapidly, and growth requires learning. Use 2026 to develop new skills that improve your career and personal life. Learn communication, technology, or creative skills. Learning keeps your mind active and opens doors to new opportunities. Skills increase confidence and independence. Embrace discipline over motivation. Motivation is temporary, but discipline creates results. In 2026, commit to showing up even when you do not feel inspired. Discipline helps you stay consistent during difficult times. Success is built by doing what is necessary, not only what feels comfortable. Conclusion. Changing your life in 2026 is possible if you commit to clarity, consistency, and growth. Let go of the past, build positive habits, protect your health, and believe in yourself. Change does not require perfection, only persistence. If you take responsibility for your actions and choices, 2026 can become the year that transforms your life forever. Thanks for watching Share My Channel English Story Journey.